Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. I know I haven't spoken to you guys for a while now, but as you all know, we are busy growing up our business and we just recently had a tie-up with Hudson's Bay. We are franchising our business, so a lot of things are going on. But I got a lot of questions from you guys, asking me about how I take care of my skin, how I put all together with my skin and still look good with all the stress going on in my life. So just not waste time because even I have to head up to one of my store. So let's start the tutorial, but please subscribe to my channel Beauty First Spa and also follow us on Instagram. So this is my morning face, and now I'm going to walk you through with how and what I do with my on-the-go makeup look. I use very minimal product. As you all know, I don't have time. So I'm going to let you know what I use as I'm doing it. So I use very minimal product. Let me show you what are these products. I use the Age emulsion first as a moisturizer. Why I use this? Because it has a very good percentage of retinol in it. Then I use the CC cream. This is 3-in-1. It's a moisturizer, a color corrector, and a sunscreen. Depending on my mood, I sometimes use my loose powder or sometimes I use the pressed powder. Eyebrows are very important for me, and that's why I use my Beauty First eyebrow pomade. Depending on my mood every day, it depends what shade of lipstick I use, and the under eye concealers for sure. So first I'll take my Age emulsion to use as a moisturizer. I'm gonna go all over my face, especially my under eyes. Over the nose. I'll make sure I cover the whole face in circular motion. And then on the neck, please make sure you cover your neck also. After that, I like to use this Bioline CC cream because it has color corrector, it's a tinted, and it also has SPF 25. You just need little bit pea size. And this is my on-the-go foundation. What I like to do is I like to dab this. It helps in color correction if you have any pigmentation, any age spots, anything. It just gives a nice medium coverage all over the face. And for my under eyes, I like to use my Tarte Shape Tape Under Eye Concealer very quickly. Now I like to give my face a matte look, and for that I like to just cover up with a little bit of powder. So I like to use Makeup Forever pressed powder with my brush, just quickly dabbing it because it gives a nice matte look. Quickly all over the face and covering the under eyes as well, on the neck. Now, very important for me is my eyebrows, so I'm using a Beauty First eyebrow gel. It comes with the brush. I'm gonna quickly go from the front to the back. It's very important to make my eyebrow look really good. As you know, eyebrows are very important part on your face. And then I like to blend it. For lip color, it depends on my mood. I usually like to wear light colors on my lips. So today I'm going to use the Cailyn nude color. And then quickly I'm going to use a beauty blender with the loose powder to just blend everything in by dabbing it all over my face. It also helps in giving you a matte finish. And all done. I hope you like my quick tutorial today. All the products and the shades will be listed in the description. Please subscribe to my channel Beauty First Spa, and I'll see you next time.